This is Jesus Manuel Mena Garza. I hope you're having a fantastic day. I'm here in Fort Worth in my studio space, and I was watching quite a few videos on the new GoPro Hero 9 Black as compared to the GoPro Hero Purple, which is coming out next week, by the way. I just wanted to suggest for all your reviewers, those of you who get free GoPros and do the reviews and plan to do the GoPro Hero 10 and 11 when it comes out, I just want to make a couple little suggestions, little tiny itty-bitty suggestions to you. I want to buy an action camera in the next few months, but a lot of your reviews are pretty poor. I'll be very straight, very poor. You have yourself riding on your little bicycle, your little skateboard and stuff like that, and maybe running down the track. But what I want to see, I know that a lot of you don't understand this concept, but video is only half of the equation of a good video. Audio is very, very important too. I would like you to get your little GoPro Hero 9 Black and just point it like this and get it in front of you and just start talking in your studio space and say, this is Jesus Manuel Mena Garza. Hope you're doing fantastic. This is just a test, and actually look at the lens, not at the monitor, and ask yourself a few questions and just go over some of the audio quality issues, okay? And then do one from behind also, talk, arm's length into the GoPro and stuff like that, and see how it sounds, if it's really boomy in that room, okay? Next, I would like you to go outside. Do the same thing. Get that little action camera, maybe even put it on a little handle and just do a little audio test and say, hey, this camera sounds like this. It sounds like this in the great American outdoors. This is how it sounds in my backyard. This is how it sounds in Golden Gate Park. This is how it sounds in, Rome, Italy, Hong Kong, wherever you're at. I would like you to do that, just like this. And just talk into it for about 15 seconds so I can hear how it sounds. And do it also in the back. Say, I'm walking down the road and I'm shooting a GoPro video with the Hero 9. And this is how it sounds as I'm walking down the road. Third, I would like you to do this video, and do it when it's a little bit windy. I would like to hear how it sounds with a little bit of wind, as you're, running down the road, skateboarding, driving around in your bicycle, whatever you're doing, all you 20-somethings and 30-somethings. I would like to see that, because that'll give me a better idea how the audio sounds. I know the camera has incredible stabilization. You can just go like that. And I wish I had one. I wish I had one to test and see how it actually sounds. I would actually just leave the camera and take some video, take into consideration backlighting. Some of you don't even take into consideration backlighting, poor lighting. And but shoot a nice video. I would like to see how it looks on YouTube. And I know that YouTube, processes and the video, and it doesn't look always as good as the original, but at least it should be about 80% there, what you just shot, okay? So this has been Jesus Manuel Mena Garza talking about 3 things I would like the folks who are shooting these GoPro Hero 9 videos, these demos, these pimping out the product and stuff like that. I would like you to shoot a series of audio samples in the studio, front and back, in the backyard, in the park, front and back, and then also, with a little bit of wind. So those are the 3 parameters I would like to see the audio. Again, I firmly believe, audio is incredibly critical to a good, video product. When you watch TV, when you watch movies, do they have good sound? Yes. And typically they even add music and special effects, and audio special effects, okay? So audio is very important. So the mic on the GoPro, I would like to know how good it sounds. I know they're going to have medium, mods and accessories and stuff like that in the future, in the next upcoming months. But, right now I'd like to hear how this sounds. Me talking, going, Jesus Manuel Mena Garza reporting from the middle of nowhere, okay? Thank you very much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. I would greatly appreciate it. And if you're a GoPro, feel free to send one of those cameras to me. I'll be more than happy to review it. I'll do a good quality review. I'll shoot in my studio, holding the microphone like, the camera like this. I'm not going to shoot 90% of the video with a professional, full frame camera. I'm actually going to shoot the whole video with the GoPro. Who would have thunk, huh? And don't forget to leave your kind and super friendly comments and suggestions for me, and also for those folks that are doing those GoPro reviews. What do you suggest they do in the next iteration of their product reviews for GoPro, DJI, and all the other different manufacturers out there of action cameras, phones, etc. Okay. This has been Jesus Manuel Mena Garza in Fort Worth, Texas, relaxing in my studio space, talking about the GoPro Hero 9. I wish I had one. Do you wish you had one? I wish I had one right now. I would have a lot of fun. I'm not going out there shooting a lot of video right now, to be straightforward with you, because of the COVID. I don't want to go into the public, and I may have the COVID and endanger the public, and I don't want the public possibly endangering me. I feel pretty good, but you never know. So again, from where am I at? I'm in Fort Worth, Texas, in the Valley of the Beast. Gracias. Adios. Bye-bye.